Today on the dinner bite, I'll be showing you how to make this turkey chili. It is hearty, packed full of flavor, and so delicious. This is seriously the best turkey chili recipe to make today. It is easy to put together using simple everyday ingredients, and it will soon become a family favorite. Let me show you how to make it. Start by prepping your veggies. Finely chopped 1 large onion, 4 garlic cloves, dice 1 large red bell pepper, and 1 jalapeno. Saute these veggies in 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 500 gram or a pound of ground turkey mince, and cook until it is no longer pink. It will take you about 3 to 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of brown sugar, salt and black pepper to taste. Then you stir to combine. You can add about a teaspoon of cumin to this if you want, but I don't usually add cumin to when I'm making turkey chili. Add chicken stock powder. I usually add this to enhance the flavor. 1 can of chopped tomatoes and a can of red kidney beans. There is no need to drain. I do this to add flavor and color to the chili as well, because it will look pale without it. Half cup of water, then stir to combine. Reduce the heat to medium-low and leave to simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring intermittently so it doesn't burn. So when you finish, when it's all done, throw in some fresh chopped cilantro and dinner is ready. I love to serve these over baked potatoes, chips or rice, but you can serve it however you want. Thank you for watching. You can find the full written recipe on my website, thedinnerbite.com. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.